Alright, what's up and welcome back. So we are here at TR Enduro. There's Willie back there. So we are here today to help him set up the track. Unfortunately, Willie's bikes got stolen. So we're trying to get the track together, and he is going to be hosting a 30-day time trial challenge. And how it works, you basically go onto Strava, you join the TR Enduro club, and you ride the segment that is on the club, and then the fastest time posted in the 30-day period wins. There's a great prize from Robert Co. So come on through to the track, get your entries in, and have a good time. So what we're going to do today, we are going to run the new layout and record the segment that you guys will be riding. So yeah, support one of our friends in the community. Let's help raise some funds so Willie can get back on a dirt bike. He's a very hard worker and he's active in the community, you know, arranging the Enduro cross events. So let's support him. And yeah, it's time to kit up and to see if we can manage a decent lap around the track without dying from exhaustion. Yeah, had a pretty heavy night last night, so I don't expect the fastest lap. And how it's going to work, you guys need to download the Strava application and join the TR Enduro club, and then we'll have the segment there that you guys can ride. Remember, when you start the segment, to set your activity to ride. Hit start when you're ready to go. Drop the bag in your phone and start riding the lap. When you get to the finish line, you need to stop and take your phone out and hit stop again. Otherwise, your lap time is just going to continue counting. And that you would have to do for every lap that you ride around the track. Time's ticking. Time is ticking. Oh. And stall outs. Fantastic. it's not going well. Oh no. Very dead. come down, stop the bike, grab your phone. Anyway, everybody can see my pin code and finish your time. Save your activity. We finished the Strava section and uploaded it to Strava. So the details will be down below in the description. The link for the TR Enduro club on Strava and the TR Enduro section that you guys need to ride. So I think I'm going to use this moment and say let's do a challenge. All the other South African dirt bike YouTubers, come down to TR Enduro, make a video of your day here and post your times. So let's see who can be the quickest YouTuber on the TR Enduro track. What do you think, Willie?
I think that's a great plan. I'll be the slowest because I don't have a bike, but I hope you guys enjoy it. And like we said, there's some great prizes up for grabs. And from my side, thanks everyone for coming out. And as always, stay safe and stay awesome.
Yeah, unfortunately, there's always something to borrow. This community of kindness. So if you have an extra bike and you come through and you want to have Willie for a ride with you, yeah, if you have an extra bike, bring it along, let the guy ride. He needs to stay in shape, he needs seat time. So by the time he gets another bike, he's ready to go. Anyways, remember to like, comment and subscribe. Peace out, keep ripping.